Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Aruna. So today's video is going to be spending a day with me for Productive Friday. So Friday normally works from home around until noon. Once I finish this, my family already ready. My son and my husband already out for Jummah prayer. But I'm home actually going to be cleaning some errands in the house and clean the kitchen and prepare the nice lunch or dinner and then get ready for our Friday prayer. So I normally pray sometimes from home, sometimes I go to the mosque, but today I'm going to be praying from mosque, not from mosque, from home. So let's go ahead and clean up and then I'll take you downstairs with me. Let's go.
So the first thing I do, I always clean upstairs level just to clean the kids' room and my room, and then we go downstairs. Living rooms pretty much stay clean because we keep clean as we go around. The kitchen is the mess because we have morning breakfast and there's a lot of dishes there. So we're going to go ahead and empty out the dishwasher. I'm going to go ahead and load new dishwashers in there, new dishes, and let's take it out. So this is a new dishwasher I purchased that from Lowe's. It has 3 different levels to it. It's very nice and comfortable because you can actually the dishes all day long. I started them from breakfast, lunch, and the dinner, and then I run it in night times. It pretty much holds a lot of dishes and stuffs in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly clean everything, and then let's go ahead and unload the dishwasher. So let's quickly clean. Whew. So I keep my cabinets pretty organized because it's easy access for get the stuff anytime you can get it. All the plates, sections, and dishes is very nicely easy organized. It's easy access for entire family. So I'm going to go ahead and put these dishes away. Now I'm going to move into the cup sections. All right, so that's all put it away. I already load the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. So this is, we're going to close this right now. We're going to move right into the sink section to cleaning it, and also with our stove. I have a glass stove, which I do use Dawn cleaning. This Dawn cleaning spray is the magic, guys. It's very nice. I just leave it on for a few minutes in the sink, let it sit there for a few minutes so it's actually soak it up. It takes out all the nice dirt. So this is the glass stove I have. I keep it on the stove for a few minutes just to clear up, and you will see the magic. It's really clean. All you have to do, make sure you have a nice form scrub, not too hard. I lightly just scrub it on it and leave it in there for a few more minutes so it sits and rub. It takes away all the dirt in there. Look at it, it's all clean, and this is my special Dawn cleaning spray. So let's clean this with the water and you will see how clean and amazing it looks. That's all clean. Then I take the microfiber cloth, which actually are very nice, which is very handy in my kitchen. I use that to clean the stove and the counter because it takes out all the dirt. Very nice, easy to use because I do clean my tiles with it too, and kitchen cabinets. It's, look at the shine. It's very nice. This is the thing when I work in the kitchen. Every time I try to wipe everything over so it doesn't have to build up anything. Cleaning the tiles as we cook, there's a lot of stuff flies everywhere, so it's easy to keep it clean, especially the glass stove. I mean, microfiber, this cloth works so good into the stove section here when you clean it. Let me show you the final look of it. That it's very nice. It takes a few minutes to dry right after that, but it's so amazing and clean. Look at that. So let's go ahead and clean the counter. We're gonna clean the table too. I already marinated the biryani from last night. I cooked it. I already soaked the rice. It's gonna sit there for 1 hour. So we're gonna prepare the start getting ready for the food as well. So let's go ahead and quickly clean it. I'm gonna go take shower, pray, and then we're gonna come downstairs for the yummy recipe I'm gonna share with you. So let's continue. You know, I always admire these pieces hanging in here because it made from Palestine, and I'm so happy I have this beautiful Ayatul Kursi in my living room. It's so nice and admiring this fresh smell in the house. I can think straight when my house is clean. So let's go upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs and quickly see, put away all the other stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the clothes so we can go ahead and take shower. So let's go ahead and go to the room. I'm going to take out our clothes. I'm going to iron that so we can quickly take showers so we don't lose the time for Zohar prayer. So let's start the shower and we're going to go and get ready for prayer. Oh, it feels so fresh and nice after shower or clean house. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my Zohar prayer, special prayer for Jummah as well. And then I'm going to go downstairs and prepare the dinner. So I already marinated chicken biryani, which is I always did the night before. I'm going to heat this up. My rice is all ready. Put the biryani into a different section. Boil and layer the biryani as special. As everybody knows, these reels is so nice and spicy and very nice, delicious dish. I'm also going to put different type of the food colors on it. So the colors gives the biryani the entire beautiful look to it. So yeah, that's a yellow color, and we're just gonna add a little bit of orange color as well on it. Right on top of it, we're gonna use some cilantro, the dry cilantro, or you can put jalapeno. I'm gonna bake it for about 375. Now rice is only 80% cooked, so when you bake it for 375 for about 20 minutes, they're gonna do a fresh cook and ready for you. So dinner is all ready. I'm just waiting for my family to arrive so we can go ahead and I'll show you how this amazing biryani comes out. So let's go upstairs, do the Asr prayer.
Okay, so we all done. I already prepared the lunch, or we just say early dinner, because normally it's a winter time. As you see, it's already getting dark outside. I already pray my Asr prayer, so I already got the dinner ready. My family just got home from Jummah, so we're gonna be eating early dinner, probably after Maghrib. So we're gonna have nice tea. So hope you like this productive Friday. I like to spend time on Fridays at home. I do work during the week. Friday is normally something I work from home, so much easier to spend time quality with the family. Keep yourself busy is a good thing for nowadays. Keep you away from bad things and bad deeds. So I hope you guys like, especially my recipe of biryani. And if you does, make sure you share it. Let me know the feedback. If you want to know the full recipe, I would love to share that with you. Until then, see you guys. Bye bye. Happy Jummah.